What's up, YouTube? This is Jimmy from Airsoft Live. Here, going to do a shooting test. I have my cousin over right now, and he just got a Lancer Tactical M4, and I've given it some thought, and he's going to be the new partner for this channel. So here he is.
Hey guys.
He just got the gun yesterday. He's got everything. He's pretty much packed up. He's got a mag. He's got a ton of Elite Force BBs. As again, I highly recommend Elite Force BBs.
9.6 volt battery.
Yeah, he's got a 9.6 volt battery in right now. So yeah, he's gonna start shooting right now.
We're gonna start on semi.
First is gonna be semi.
We just got some iron sights here. Go.
Sorry guys, gotta reset this real quick. So far, this was just iron sights. No red dot needed, nothing.
This gun is really accurate. Gotta line it up.
Yep. Alright, full auto.
A lot of this thing shoots really fast.
With a 9.6, it probably has maybe a good 700. Yeah, that's that. That's fully auto. That put probably 20 shots in maybe 10 seconds, 4 or 5 seconds.
See if we can hit the red.
Going back to semi. Got lined up though. Trying to hit the red now.
Did I get it?
Not yet. You're shooting right around it.
Here she is. Alright. We're finishing this video.
Alright. That's cool.
Probably 10-second burst.
Yeah, right now here we're gonna go with a 10-second, maybe a 5-second interval of full auto. So here we go.
Alright, there's 5 seconds. Go one more.
He needs to wind up the mag a little bit, and then he'll shoot one more time. Here we go. Alright, I think we're good. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like, subscribe, and comment for new video ideas. We're going to come up with a AUG Steyr shooting test soon with a M100 spring upgrade.
And I'm going to show you my loadout once I get a loadout, and Jimmy will show his loadout too.
Alright, yeah, and we're going to do some more videos on our loadouts and everything. Alright, thanks for watching, guys. Have a great rest of your day.